Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P2120-17 refers to an issue with the Accelerator Pedal Position, APP Sensor A, specifically indicating a high voltage within the throttle position sensor circuit. In Honda vehicles, particularly the 2023 CR-V model, the APP sensor plays a crucial role in relaying the position of the accelerator pedal to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The PCM interprets this information to manage the engine's throttle response accurately. When the APP sensor outputs a voltage greater than a specific threshold, the PCM flags this irregularity as a diagnostic trouble code, DTC. In essence, this error signals that there may be excessive voltage flowing through the system, prompting the need for precise diagnostic steps to identify and resolve the issue. The fault indicated by DTC P2120-17 is focused on the accelerator pedal position APP sensor A, also known as throttle position TP sensor D. The APP sensor is integrated within the accelerator pedal module, which is typically located near the footwell area of the vehicle, making it accessible for inspection and testing. The primary function of the APP sensor is to send the current position of the accelerator pedal to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. When the voltage output from this sensor exceeds predefined limits, it suggests there is either a malfunction within the sensor itself or within linked components, leading the PCM to store this DTC. Thus, this malfunction can disrupt the vehicle's throttle control, potentially resulting in erratic engine performance or even safety concerns during operation. Several possible causes could trigger the DTC P2120-17. First, faulty APP sensor could misreport or inaccurately transmit the position of the accelerator pedal, resulting in high voltage readings. Secondly, there may be issues with the wiring leading to the APP sensor or related components, such as a short or open circuit that affects voltage levels. A third possibility is a malfunction within the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, itself, which may misinterpret valid sensor inputs. Additionally, voltage irregularities from power supply sources or ground circuits can lead to incorrect signals being sent through the system. Identifying the exact root cause is essential in effectively mitigating this DTC and ensuring safe vehicle operation. The symptoms associated with DTC P2120-17 can significantly affect the vehicle's driving performance. One major symptom is an erratic throttle response, where the engine may not react predictably when the accelerator pedal is pressed. This can present challenges in acceleration and deceleration, making the vehicle hard to control. Additionally, drivers might experience overall engine performance issues, including stalling or sluggishness, which can compromise safety. Warning lights on the dashboard may illuminate, indicating a fault in the engine management system. Finally, this DTC may contribute to increased fuel consumption, as the PCM may adjust fuel delivery based on erroneous readings. Each of these symptoms emphasizes the importance of prompt diagnostic evaluation. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2120-17 involves confirming the APP sensor A voltage reading. Begin by turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position. Utilizing a diagnostic tool, assess the APP sensor A voltage output. If the reading exceeds 4.9 volts, this indicates a duplication of the failure, prompting further inspection of the sensor and related components. It's crucial to follow this step carefully, as confirming the sensor's voltage is fundamental to understanding whether the fault lies within the APP sensor itself or within another system component. This preliminary check sets the stage for more in-depth diagnostics and necessary repairs. Following the voltage confirmation, the second troubleshooting step requires disconnecting the APP sensor connector, which is a 6-pin connector. This step is essential for safely testing the output voltage without backfeed from the PCM. Next, perform the inspections as outlined in the manufacturer's diagnostic manual. Carefully document the voltage outcomes during this test. An output around 5.0 volts indicates a functional sensor, whereas any deviation suggests that the issue may reside within the accelerator pedal module. This assessment allows technicians to differentiate between faults in the sensor and potential wiring or PCM issues. The third step involves inspecting the SG1 open wire circuit. Before performing this procedure, connect the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to jump the SCS line, ensuring that the diagnostic tool is actively engaged. Disconnect both the APP sensor connector and the PCM connector, which consists of a 72-pin arrangement. When performing inspections, verify that the resistance of the wiring is less than 1 ohm. If the result indicates abnormal resistance, this signifies there is a problem in the circuit. This step is crucial to rule out any short or open circuits that could impede the flow of voltage and affect the sensor's readings. In the fourth troubleshooting step, the focus shifts to the powertrain control module, PCM. If the preceding inspection items have suggested normal conditions, the next logical step is to evaluate the PCM for potential issues. Since the PCM is central to translating the signals from the APP sensor into actionable commands for the engine, any faults within this unit can manifest as the DTC being analyzed. Technicians should carefully cross-check findings from previous steps to determine if the data supports a diagnosis of PCM failure. This careful evaluation helps ensure that appropriate repairs are made, avoiding unnecessary replacement of functional components. After completing the repairs related to the DTC P2120-17, it's imperative to conduct a final verification of the repairs. Begin by confirming that all required repairs have been completed effectively. Once confirmed, recheck the APP sensor voltages while the vehicle is in the on mode, ensuring that they fall within the manufacturer's specified ranges. It's also beneficial to conduct a road test to assess if the system operates correctly and that the throttle response is normalized. This final step is crucial to ascertain that the problem has been resolved and that no DTCs remain active in the system. Successful completion of this process ensures the vehicle is safe and reliable for continued operation. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P2120-17, regular maintenance is essential. Begin with routine inspections of the APP sensor and its associated wiring. Technicians should closely monitor wire integrity, looking for signs of wear, corrosion, or damage that could lead to voltage irregularities. Implementing these preventive measures contributes significantly to early detection of potential issues. Additionally, ensure that any observed problems are resolved immediately to prevent further complications. Proactive maintenance not only enhances vehicle longevity, but also promotes safe driving conditions, ensuring that the throttle control system consistently performs optimally. In summary, effectively diagnosing and addressing DTC P2120-17 requires thorough and precise diagnostic methods. Understanding the roles of the components involved, such as the accelerator pedal position sensor and the powertrain control module, is vital for pinpointing the root cause of the error. This guide outlines the clear steps necessary for troubleshooting, from voltage checks to wiring inspections and PCM evaluations. Promptly addressing issues that arise within this system is critical for maintaining optimal vehicle performance and safety. By adhering to these diagnostic protocols and preventive measures, technicians and owners can ensure their Honda CR-V remains reliable on the road. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.